Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as an evil stepmom in Brookhaven. So we are going to select avatar editor here, and we're going to make ourselves look a little bit taller. I am going to change the legs, I think. I don't know. Maybe this one? Yeah, I will do like that one. And then I'm going to, what is this? What about this one? I'm just like trying stuff out at this point. You know what? I'm just going to stick to this one. Then I'm going to go to the, let me just remove like my accessories here and like the face as well. I'll like search up for like a really tanned face. But like not cute makeup, you know? Maybe not. Maybe something like this, like, if I'm being honest. Oh. Okay, because why? Maybe like orange face, not tan, you know? No, that's not. That is a pretty face. You know what? At this point, I'm just gonna do that. And we'll do like a really like bleached blonde if they have it. Like a super, maybe like a Karen kind of hairstyle. Let's do that if they even have Karen hair. Oh, they do, obviously. Okay, there we go. For the outfit, let's see. I don't know. What do stepmothers wear? Like a dress, maybe? I don't know. Can I like remove the shirt? It's getting annoying. I don't think we can. Ooh, capris. How do I say that? I'm not trying to make her look barefooted, but that's the look. Oh my god, what is that? I mean, slay? What about this one? Dear, this is horrible. I mean, we gotta try to make her like an evil stepmother. I really need like these kind of jeans. You know what? We're gonna use this. And then for the top, we're going to like maybe like this one. Oh my god, that's horrible. Like a turquoise. How do you spell that? Turquoise tank top. Oh my gosh, perfect. This is exactly. No. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, we need more accessories like glasses. I mean, can I have like glasses on the head because like it's not really matched with the eyes, like as you can see. Maybe like a purse. I have purse. Maybe like Gucci because she definitely is taking money from our father. So this is the. Okay, can I find like glasses on head? There we go. This one maybe? Okay. Okay, so this is going to be our evil stepmom, Karen. And for the house, obviously we want something big. Hello? Oh. Can I pick the house? Okay, so for the house, let's do this one because it looks like a big house. Yeah. Oh my god. Wait, what even house is this? Oh my god, I picked something. Whatever. Okay, evil stepmom. So make sure you have friends, obviously, to roleplay with you, and obviously pick a better house, because what is this? I should have picked just like a normal house, and that is how you can become an evil stepmom in Brookhaven. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.